let's learn some easy watercolor tulips today. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be using this Unwindle Watercolor book today, which is a watercolor sketchbook 300 GSM cold pressed paper. You can use any other watercolor sheet or sketchbook that you have. The links for all the materials that I am using is mentioned in the description of this video. These are watercolor sheets by Watercolors which we'll be using. I'll be using the crimson shade for the tulips today. So let's see how we'll be using these and making the beautiful florals. So I'm just using my wet brush on the sheet to pick up some color, and with that brush I'll be painting the flowers directly. So this is a 10 number round brush that I am using. If you don't have these sheets, don't worry, you can simply do this painting with your normal watercolors as well. And if you wish to try them, you can just check out the link in the description and buy them from there. So while using the normal watercolors as well, just follow the same technique that I am using to paint it, and your painting will definitely turn out good. If you have watched the video till here, make sure that you drop a like and drop a comment after the video if you enjoyed painting with me. Also, I keep posting such easy tutorial videos regularly on my YouTube channel. So if you are not yet subscribed to me, just press the subscribe button below this video and don't forget to press the bell icon to get regular updates about my new videos. Now let me just take some black color from the sheet, and I'll take a very little color on my brush and I'll just use it to shade my flower nicely to give it certain depth. So we are done with one simple tulip flower. Let's move on to the next. Again, I am just using the crimson color and repeating a similar process, but I'll be not drawing the flower exactly similar to this one. It will be slightly different so that it looks beautiful. So I'm starting with a very light wash, as you can see, and after that I'll be adding darker color in few of the places to get a nice shade of dark and light. I'm again using some black to shade the flower nicely. Now let's go for our third and final flower. The thing I love about this painting is it is very easy and you can do it very quickly in just like 10 to 15 minutes, and you can use it for various things. You can use it for postcards or greeting cards, or else you can just put it up on your shelf to beautify it more. So I hope that you will actually try it. If you do try it, make sure you send it to me, a picture of it, on my Instagram account. I am on Instagram by the name artyvibesbysanika. So if you are not following me already on Instagram, you can definitely follow me there as well to get regular updates about everything I do and my new paintings. So now I'm done with the 3 flowers. Let's paint the stem and later on the leaves. So remember to draw the stem very thin. I am using the sap green color for this. Now I am just dropping in some very dark green color pigment. And I'll also be adding a very little viridian green color to the stems just to give it a different shade. We'll be doing the leaves, so just observe my brush strokes and do it accordingly. I am using sap green color for this one. And now I'll be just adding a little bit of viridian green to give a nice shade to the leaf. Again do a similar leaf, but this time I am starting with the viridian green and later on I'll give a shade with the sap green, so you can work it any way. And I'll draw one more with a similar technique. This time I'm doing a folded one. Just give it nice depth, and let's add one more. Now this looks pretty much nice, so I'll just add a few grass strands in the bottom, and then we'll be done almost with the painting. So if you have watched this painting till here, then make sure to drop a like and drop a comment so that I'll be able to create more such videos for you if you are liking them. Make sure to send your paintings to me if you try them on my Instagram page, and continue doing it with me. Watch the video till the end and complete the drawing completely. This was a very quick and easy and a kind of abstract floral that we did. It was a very loose painting, so we did not need to detail it out very much. So you can just don't worry about your strokes so much, just have fun, keep creating it and adding different shades to it, keep experimenting. You can also use other shades than what I have used to create these, and you can make different colored flowers and leaves and everything. So this was just a basic technique which will help you create more such beautiful paintings. So I hope you really enjoyed doing it, and I'll be back soon with a new floral painting as well. So till then, if you haven't seen my other videos, I am linking a few at the end of this video, and the rest are there on my channel playlist. So do make sure to check out the channel playlist. Also, I am thinking of keeping a giveaway for YouTube. So if you want a giveaway, let me know in the comments if you will be interested. So I'll keep it soon. And we are done with this beautiful painting. Hope you enjoyed doing it. All the materials and other links are there in the description, so do check them out. See you again in the next video. Till then, keep painting.